There she is.
Yeah.
You can go right now? No. Bingo need to go transit. Come on, Bingo. The participant is ready. Bingo. 1, 2, and 3. Good job, Bingo. Wow. That's a good. You follow my instruction. So, how does it feel, man? Glory. Okay, now I'm doing the song. Maybe did you like the bird, I think? You like the bird? Yeah. Maybe you think that you were interested to have this kind of bird at home? Okay, you want to keep this one? Alright. I thought you want to say yes. Okay, everyone, now it's time for Bingo to go back to the keeper. And please big applause for